Or is it going to be closed? It looks like maybe it's up here. Maybe it's up here.
So we're here in Tioga Road. Going fishing.
Stop recording.
Here, Tioga Road, and we're in 5,000 feet elevation. That's
Tioga Road.
Tioga Road. That's nice.
Going to Lukens Lake.
Can you believe that? We're in 5,000 feet. It's like I can reach the sky.
They say they just opened Tioga Road today,
Yeah.
but
I see.
I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see.
I don't see any cars. Maybe we're the first ones here. We're supposed to open it. I think we are the first ones here.
So we are.
I've seen nobody else yet.
We are. We think that we are the first one here in the Yoga Road
For the year.
for the
It's
years.
2023. There's no cars coming the other way.
Yeah.
No cars in front of us.
Yeah. And
There's a deer on the
where
road.
did we see the deer?
But we didn't photo it because we
No, we
expected
shot.
a deer.
And then he's fast, run
Look at
fast.
this road. There's like nobody.
Yeah, we're alone here. And smell fresh. The fresh of the nature is like.
So hopefully we'll be the first ones to Lukens Lake.
Because this
If we're the first ones, then maybe there's fish
yeah.
with deer.
Because that's why we come here. This is our plan to get to the Lukens Lake first. And we need to catch trout. And there's no bubbles there. So we'll see. Maybe we saw a deer again. Very big deer. Very big.
Snow there.
So we're here in still Tioga Road.
Snow.
Oh, it's thick snow.
This is 8,000 feet.
And we are
They say
here
it's still snow up here.
8,000 feet. All that snow is very thick. Oh, that's why now we know all the river hand. This melt. It's very, very thick.
Watch out because the sun lightning up here.
Yeah. I see the snow is very thick and all that floating from the water.
That means there's still snow at the lake.
This is all
But
beautiful
we're
rock.
close now.
I want to feel the
It's freezing cold.
yeah. Finally, we're here in Lukens Lake. This is my second time. Lukens Lake. We're here very early. 6 a.m. That Lukens Lake, I have photo there. Year 2019. We're hiking Lukens Lake. Let's go hike.
It's this way.
This is a long hike. It's a good exercise though.
Don't forget. You have to hike up here. Nobody bothered the deer.
It's beautiful here. Nobody bother the deer.
Here's us.
Yep.
The deer's here. You hear us. You hear me say, "We forgot the chair."
This is cute Christmas tree.
Beautiful. Yeah.
I know.